Hi guys, Brent here. I'm about 2 kilometers outside of the small town of Los Angeles in San Carlos on another great property, 27,450 square meters. It has a functioning water well, so you've got fresh potable water. There's electricity to the property and also a paved highway that touches onto the property, and it's secured by a nice security fence. And this is the second parcel here. This is the access road that goes behind me and across to the property. It's 6,642 square meters. So guys, there's 2 parcels here. You can buy them individually or you can buy them together. If you're interested, please give me a call.